Hi babes, welcome back to today's video. I am super excited because there's a twist in today's video. I am going to be showing you how makeup application has evolved in the last 4 years. That's 2019 to 2023. I am so sorry with the way the years is displayed in the video. I know I am supposed to do it chronologically, and I think it has to do with how I recorded the video, so I am sorry about that. In 2019, makeup focused on matte, bold glam, and heavy contouring. This style was popular at the time. It still appeals to those who prefer a more dramatic or polished look. But in 2023, makeup is more focused on soft glam. Soft glam. This is where minimalism comes in. This is where no makeup type of look comes in, and this is where clean girl makeup look comes in, because now we understand that our skin is the most important when it comes to makeup. Your skin has to be well fed, well hydrated for your makeup to actually look really good. This is the year where we understand the assignment, guys, and everything just blended really well into our skin. Don't get me wrong, guys, I am not saying doing your makeup like how it is then in 2019 is bad. It basically depends on individual preferences. If this is what works for you, if this is what makes you happy, brings the best out of you, please by all means go ahead and do yours. But I'm just telling you that makeup has evolved over time. It just shows that how we humans are willing to learn and to put into practice what we have learned over time. That is what I am showing you guys, and believe me, both makeup side looks good depending on how you want to go about it and what really brings the best out of you. Let me know if you love this and what else you guys would like to see. Do you enjoy this type of makeup comparison? What year would you like me to compare with what year? Let me know down in the comment section, and do not forget to subscribe. Bye guys.